time's aching. It's because they're further away than what they look. But I bet when you're really closer, they're loud.
Here they come. There's 2, 3 upside, 4 upside down.
Are they upside down?
2 of them are, 2 of them are.
Top 2 are upside down and the other 2 are up the right way.
Yeah.
So how do they drive upside down?
Don't know.
They can.
They're magic.
You know what I could do with a whiz?
Yeah. They do it.
Have they gone now?
No. Coming back round.
He's saying something on the speaker.
Wait, I can hear them.
I can.
Here they come.
They're coming back. They're coming back.
There they are.
Blue and red. And white. It's the England colours, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nanny, if you need a wee, Nanny, phone.
No, it's your mum's phone.
Oh, Sophie just tried ringing you on here, so that'll be Sophie ringing me.
Answer it.
It's Sophie.
She tried to ring me and I hadn't got no service.
Oh!
They're doing loops in the sky. Kyle! Kyle!
Oh, come on, video sec.
Look!
Look.
Wait, what's the matter? What's the matter?
I need 20 quid because I've got no electric whatsoever.
Right. I'll see if I can get some service.
So,
Kyle, look!
What?
Kyle!
yeah. Wow. So, look at the red bar. You should have came. This is very good.
Look, Kyle! Whoa!
Look, so.
It's like a flower in the sky.
Looks like we share the love. Like this.
Yeah.
Share the love.
There's another one coming. There's another one coming.
Hi, Logan. Hi, Logan. Logan.